wedding.
Look at that delicious pancake you're eating.
It's time for Toy Surprise Adventures. Hey kids, today we're going to be making pancakes, eggs, and waffles.
And we're going to be mixing with some blenders.
Yeah. Alright kids, time to make some pancake rings. Blueberries. Time to mix it up. Looks like the pancake mix is done. Oh, looks like the pancake is done.
Well, it looks like the pancake is cooking, huh?
It's cooking.
Let's flip it over. Ooh. Looks delicious. You put some toppings on. We got a banana. What else do we have?
Chocolate, blueberries,
And a little bit of butter. Looks delicious. Ooh, look at that delicious pancake you're eating.
looks like our eggs are ready to cut open.
Okay, let's see what eggs we have. Go ahead. Wow. Nice.
Alright, let's see. It is green.
It's a green egg. Next egg.
Purple. It's a purple egg.
Next egg.
Orange.
It's an orange egg.
It's a yellow egg. Last egg. It's a red egg. So let's start making some waffles. We have chocolate and strawberry. They go in there. Of course, the butter. Let's cut up some butter. Cut. Cut. Okay. Let's throw it in. Alright, I got my waffle batter ready. Let's make some waffles. Let's make some waffles. I think it's ready.
Oh, it is done? Wow! Look at the waffle inside.
It's time to scoop it out and throw it on the plate. I'm putting on syrup.
Wow, looks pretty delicious, huh, Caleb?
Yep.
Ooh, delicious syrup. toppings are you going to put on now?
Chocolate and strawberry. Strawberry. Chocolate.
For some delicious waffles, huh?
Let's make some serve.
Time to eat it with your hands. You ate it all?
Yeah. Hey kids, don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos and more playtime.
Whoa.
Romeo, I need to catch you. Get on the elevator. Romeo, run, go.